Mindfulness is the art of being in the present, the art of noticing. Mindfulness affirmation helps you remain grounded, centered, and rooted in the present moment, no matter what's happening in your external world. Through mindfulness practices, you can notice things in your inner and outer worlds without labeling them as right or wrong. With this list of positive affirmations, you can tap into your mind power to reduce stress and learn to live in the moment. Not only can these affirmations help you be mindful, but they can work as relaxation exercises and relaxation techniques for anxiety. Mindfulness-based stress reduction paired with positive sayings, like these personal affirmations below, are sure to bring more calm, positive thoughts. At this moment, I am safe. I love where I am right now. I am happy to see this moment without judgment. My path is exactly where I'm heading. I am grounded and calm. I am breathing energy into my body. I am noticing this peaceful moment and feeling content. I love and accept myself today. I am grateful to experience this moment. I let go of what I can't control. I appreciate this quiet moment. I am in control of my reactions. I am in control of my life. This challenging situation does not define my life. I feel peace in the present. I give my energy to what serves me right now. I respect my time. I move on from the past. I wholeheartedly embrace what today can give me. I value the people I have in my life right now. I celebrate being alive right now. I deserve happiness. I am giving my body the care that it needs. I give myself permission to love myself. I see goodness around me. I am happy. I am grateful to be here today. I am free to grow today. I am amazed at this moment. I am taking time to breathe. I feel my body in this place. I am paying attention to my emotions. I deserve peace. My peace of mind is important to me.